Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Mazli Amran from BITC S1G2. So today we're gonna present to you guys about my group project that was handled by me and my friend. So based on the instruction given, we need to build a C++ program to solve our program that require all these items: login and password, add record, delete record, display records, search record, and also sort record. For further explanation about our project, I will pass to my friends Alia, Shafika, Yani, and
main
Risa.
program in our coding, and as you can see, we use the conio.h function here. The conio.h is the function for console input or output, and one of the commonly used function is the clear screen. And then we have the main function here, then we have the constructor and the destructor here. We initialize the size equal to 0 in the constructor. Next, we have the display menu function. In this function, it will display the main screen after the user have successfully logged into the system. And then the sign in function. The sign in function is specialized for the staff, which is the user, and the staff need to enter their username and password to be able to enter the system. Next, we have the choices function. This function will ask the user to choose which system they want to use. And in this program, we have 5 systems, which is the add book, search book, delete book, display book, and lastly for the user to exit the system. And next, we have the add record function. In this function, the user will be asked to enter the book ID, title of book, the barcode, the name of author, and the total of stock for the book if the size is not equal to the max. Max is being initialized in the header file. Okay, and if the size is equal to the max, it will display full storage. And we will go to the display menu again, and the user need to choose again. And then we have the search record function here. The search record function is for the user to search any book that have been recorded in the system. And if the book is found, then it will list the book. And if not, it will display book not found like this. And we will go to the display menu again, and the user have to choose again. Then we have the delete record function here. This function is for the user to delete any book that have been recorded and they don't want the book. And if the book that have been recorded is found in the system, it will ask the book ID, the title of the book, the barcode, the name of author, the total of stock for the book, and the book will be deleted from the record. And if the book is not found, it will display no book found, no record found like this, and the user need to choose again from the display menu. Then we have the display record function. This function will display the record that have been recorded in the system. And lastly is the exit system.
For this section, I will explain about header file dalam project for bookstore data. First, we declare using constant int for max equal to 3. This value, you can put your own value if you want to insert more data. Next, struct book. We create this to declare variable for book ID, title, barcode, author, and stock, which is using data type int and string. For class data, we have public and private. For public, we have constructor and destructor. For method, we have void, sign in, choices, display menu, add record, search record, delete record, display record, and the last one is exit. For private, we have int size and book array max, which is only a programmer can use.
So let us see how this program will run. So the first output it will show the login part. The login part will ask to put the username and password. Username already be set as staff and the ID is 123. So let's say I put the wrong username and the correct password. It will display invalid username or password. Please try again. So the login part is back for us to put the correct one. So the correct one is staff and 123. After we successful sign in, this program will show the menu part. The menu part show a few options for us to choose what to do next. So for this program, they have no data yet. So we will add the data first. So for adding data, we have to put number 1. We'll put book ID, book title, and this stop. So this section will display again for us to put another type of book data because we already set the maximum size for this array is 3. So this statement will pop up 3 times. And this is the last one. After finish key in all the data in adding book, the menu part will display again and give us option what to do next. After add all the data for the book, we can choose any action to do after that. So let us choose number 2 for searching book. For example, we want to search run and it will show all the data for the book title run. It also show the menu part. After next, we will delete some data. So here we delete you. For check whether this books delete or not, we can check at the book list. And the book list will show book ID for the number 1 is null, while the others still there. After we do all the option here, we exit this program, number 5. After we input the number 5, it will show exit, thank you and goodbye. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.